If you have ever been stuck drafting standard operating procedures or internal policies from scratch, you know how time-consuming it is. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create professional, structured SOPs and policies faster than ever. What are SOPs and why they matter? SOPs, or Standard Operating Procedures, are step-by-step instructions for business processes. They ensure consistency, compliance, and accountability. CMA, CA or CS often need to define processes for costing, procurement, inventory, or interdepartmental functions. Creating these from scratch can be painful. With ChatGPT, it's like having a first draft expert on call. How ChatGPT helps? Let me show you how it works. You start with a simple prompt like, create an SOP for raw material procurement in a manufacturing company, and ChatGPT gives you purpose, scope, responsibilities, step-by-step process, do's and don'ts, and document control. All in one go. You can refine it further based on your client's needs. Common SOPs you can generate. You can use ChatGPT to draft SOPs and policies for procurement, stores and inventory, costing methodology, internal audit procedures, expense reimbursement, travel policies, fixed asset management. For example, try this prompt, draft an SOP for inventory inward and outward tracking. It gives you a structured response you can customize and finalize. Customization tips. Here's how to get better results. Be specific in your prompts, include industry type, document style, and process details. Add context, like company size, system used, SAP, tally, or compliance guidelines. Use follow-up prompts to revise sections. Example, now rewrite section 3 using ISO 9001 guidelines. Or, add steps related to GRN entry in tally, validation and finalization. Important, ChatGPT gives you the draft. The final version should be vetted by your process owners or audit team. Check alignment with legal, compliance, and internal workflow requirements before implementation. What's next? In the next module, I'll teach you how to prepare cost sheets and pricing models using ChatGPT. Yes, even detailed calculations can be guided through AI. Start practicing now by giving prompts like, draft a costing SOP for subcontracting services. Create a policy for travel reimbursements under 5,000 rupees. The more you use it, the more powerful it gets. Don't forget to subscribe and stay with me for Module 4. We're just getting started.